What's up guys, Jeremy from Pure Detail Co here. So in what I hope is the first of many videos, today we have a Toyota Solara that has been pretty seriously neglected over the past few years. And just as a disclaimer, even as someone who has worked in filmmaking over the last few years, my detailing videos aren't that great just yet, so bear with me. At this time, most of the videos that I release will be on actual jobs that I'm doing. So learning how to manage my time efficiently while also trying to record has been a bit difficult, but enough with the excuses, let's get back on track. So the sweet lady who owns this car just isn't able to maintenance the vehicle on a regular basis due to age. So we're gonna try and get this bad boy back into pretty good shape today. Now, we aren't gonna be doing a showroom level detail due to budget reasons. However, I am going to try and get her the most for her money. As you'll see throughout the video, there are several stains, some mold, mildew, and other problematic spots. And some of these stains probably wouldn't even come out if we had the budget to work on them for that long. Regardless, I'm going to give it my best given the circumstances. So depending on the job, I'll usually always start with cleaning the wheels, tires, and wheel wells. In this particular scenario, I did just that. And in case you're wondering, I use full strength super clean for the wheel wells and tires. And as for the wheels themselves, I'm using PNS Brake Buster through an IK foam sprayer. So my next step is going to be a very thorough pre-rinse. Due to the level of buildup on the surface, this rinse took forever. I didn't actually track the amount of time, but it was obviously way longer than most. And just a quick reminder guys, if you do enjoy this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell so that you're notified whenever I post new videos. It would really help out my new channel. Thanks. So now that we got most of that buildup off the surface, it's time to spray the car down with snow foam. I personally use Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam on a pretty regular basis, but on this occasion, I actually added a bit of Super Clean to the mix to help cut through anything that remained on the surface. And then once I had the car covered in foam, I then began a 2-bucket hand wash. Believe it or not, even after all that dirt and grime buildup all over the surface for all those years, the paint was still in pretty good shape. So knowing that I was going to have to wash and extract the floor mats, I went ahead and got them out of the way so that they would have a little more time to dry. These things, mainly the driver's side mat, were badly stained. However, I was able to get most of these stains out using Super Clean diluted 5:1, a drill brush, and the pressure washer. I followed that up with an extraction using only hot water. In these scenarios, I usually don't use any formula in the extractor just because I want to make sure that I'm not leaving behind any kind of residue. Another disclaimer, I did 2 rounds of extraction on the floor mats, but wasn't actually recording on the second. So the aftershots you'll see here are from the first pass. They actually looked quite a bit better after the second pass. So yeah, film fell. So for the interior, I started with a vacuum to get rid of any loose debris, pet hair, etc. Then it was time to attack the seats and trim with Super Clean diluted at 5:1, the detail brush, and some steam. You probably can't really tell just how bad the mold is in the video, but I spent a pretty significant amount of time trying to remove mold from the cracks and crevices. Fortunately, I was actually able to remove most of it. So moving to the front of the car, I continued to knock out stains and debris with a detail brush and some steam. But at this point, I think I had switched over to Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner. The reason because, one, I love and swear by this stuff, and two, I didn't feel like mixing another gallon of Super Clean at 5:1, and I had my Meguiar's APC already mixed and ready at 5:1. So here's the final look at the project. Like I told you guys, this was going to be a pretty condensed version of the detail, and as you can see, it turned out pretty good, seeing as how we had a tight budget to work with. Again, there were still a few spots here and there that just weren't coming out without some serious work. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please consider giving the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. I plan to not only create satisfying detail videos, but also product testing, reviews, and other types of educational content as well. So until next time, thanks for watching.